deals for everyone. See you at 6.
Take too long.
Wednesday. We just got to get through these as quickly and as painlessly as possible. Comes the mother of all Christmases.
What do you mean it's taking too long?
Snacker.
I'm recording him.
Oh, you're not recording my boobs.
No, I'm getting shit.
And the brothers are nuts.
Demand that they respect you.
Getting him.
Later.
I'm so proud of you.
Hey, boy.
I really like kids. I like kids. They don't like me.
Let's see if he small boys.
Christmas is rated PG-13. For years, low-dose aspirin has been a cornerstone of heart attack prevention. Today, there's Bayer with Heart Advantage. Ask your doctor about the only
Bless you.
I don't want you to record my boobs.
You want me to stop?
Yeah.